Hey guys, it's Homework Help, Week 7, Day 2. And in the first problem, it says to find the surface area. Don't do volume. Now notice this is a cube because they only give one dimension. So when we find surface area of a rectangular prism, we find the area of the top and bottom, front and back, left and right, and we add all 6 of those sides together. Well, a cube is going to be a little bit easier because all 6 of those sides are the same. So notice they give us one dimension is 13. So that means this dimension is 13. So to find the area of any side, the length times the width is going to be 13 times 13. And that's, if you multiply that on your calculator, is 169. Now you could, if you wanted to and you were weird, write down 169 for the top and the bottom and the front and the back and the left and the right. And then you could add 169 5 times. However, a shortcut is to just, since you know a cube has 6 faces and they're all congruent, just multiply 169 times 6. And if you do that, you get 1,014, since it's area, square centimeters. All right, that's the surface area of the cube. Now let's go down and we're going to do some mean, median, mode, and range. So let's start with the easy ones. First off, mode. Remember the MO reminds you that the mode is the number or numbers that occurs the most often. And if you look down here, 44 occurs the most. That's the mode. Done. Next, we're going to go to range. Remember, I give you 3 words is all you have to remember about range. Big minus little. In other words, you take the biggest number and you subtract the smallest number. So if you do 46 minus 43, you get 3. The range is 3. That's how far the numbers are apart. Now, the median, remember, is the middle number. So what we're going to do is we are going to cross out little big until we get to the middle. So I have little, big, little, big, little, big, little, big, little, big. There is the middle number. So the median is 44. And last, the biggest pain in the rear end one is the mean. So mean, you have to add all of these numbers up. Now here is my shortcut, and this is what I'm going to do in my calculator. Instead of doing 43 plus 43 plus 43 plus 44 plus 44, I'm going to type in 43 times 3, which I'm typing in now, plus 44 times 5, plus 45 times 2, plus 46. And when I do that, my total is 485. But I must divide that by however many numbers there are. And if I count up, I have 1, 2, 3, plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So I have to divide 45 by 11. And if I do that, I get a crazy decimal, or repeater, 44.090909. And I am just going to round that to, I'm going to write it, I'll write it as a repeater. 44.09 with the bar over the 0 and the 9. All right, I hope that helped. And if you have any other questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks.